Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the shared part of this tutorial, so please watch and share and like, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much for all your support. I'm really grateful. Thank you. So watch till the end to get meaning out of this video. This is the shared tutorial of this. We have already done the short pattern and sewing, so this is the shared tutorial. So from the top part of your pattern paper, come down by 8.5 inches. This is your chest line. Then you mark your under bust, your bust point and your waist measurements on your pattern paper. Then you mark your neck depth and your neck width, and mark also your shoulder divided by 2. And then after marking that, you come down by 1.5 inches, and then from there you mark your armhole measurement. You start from your coming by 0.5 inch and then connect it back. And after that, you mark your measurement, your weight, your bust divided by 2 plus 3 inches, and then your hip divided by 2 plus 3 inches, because this shirt is going to be, it's going to be free. Now from the shoulder, come down by 1 inch. We are going to cut that part out. Then after that, you come down by your dart intake. My dart intake is 3.75, so that's what I marked, 3.75. After that, I'll now take half inch from that dart. Take half inch. Then from the hip line, I come up by 1 inch. You know that the length of this is 24. That's the length of my shirt, is 24. Then from the hip, I came up by 1 inch before placing my dart leg. So after that, I proceeded to cut out my pattern paper. This is for the front. Remember, from the shoulder, we came down by 1 inch. Okay. So for the back, we are going up by 1 inch. We took out 1 inch from the shoulder, so we are going up by 1 inch. So after that, I drew my waistline, my hip line, and then my chest line. So I came in by 1 cm by 3 cm, 3 cm to 1 cm for the back, and then I came down by 1 cm for the shoulder slants. So after that, I proceeded to put down my measurement, my waist divided by 4 plus 3 inches, followed by my hip divided by 4 plus 3 inches. I put the 3 inches there for ease. After that, I put in my dart measurement, and I came down by 1 inch from the chest line of the back. Came down by 1 inch, and also came up by 1 inch from the hip line of the back, and then I connected my dart legs. So I proceeded to join my armhole, connect my armhole. So from the shoulder line of the back, I went up by 1 inch. The 1 inch we took from the front, we are adding it back to the back. So after that, you connect the neckline. I connected the neckline back to the 1 inch measurement. This 1 inch that we added to the shoulder is going, you see how I will merge it with the back. So I'm cutting off the 1 inch from the front. So this is how I will fold it after sewing it. I'm just trying to show you how I will fold the 1 inch. Okay, now I'm folding like 2 inches. This is 1.5 into 1.5. The first fold was 1.5, and this last fold is 1.5. That's making it 3 inches. This is where the buttonhole will be. So after that, you place your pattern paper and then cut it with half inch. Cut with half inch. So this is the back. The back, I did not fold it. I did not fold any 1.5 inch because it's not going to have button. So this is the sleeve, and this is what we use for the turn up of the sleeve. Okay. So I've already cut my patterns, and this is the result. So now we have gone over to the sewing machine, I see that 1.5 inch I folded. I ironed a hair stay or cola stay on it, or you can use the paper stay too. So after that, you sew it on the tip. You sew it on the tip the way I'm doing it right now. You sew it on the tip. This is 1.5 into 1.5 inches. So after ironing it, this is what it looks like after ironing the hairstay. Now I'm going to hold my darts. I marked it with chalk, so you can do the same on your own fabric. After doing that, so this is what it looks like after holding the darts. Now I have joined the shoulder together by 1/2 inch, okay, with the back. So after joining the shoulder, I measured the neckline. It was 17 inches. We are going to use it to cut our collar. So see the way I'm arranging it. I'm trying to arrange it. You can see how the neckline, the shoulder is the way it is bent. This is how your own should bend, okay, so that your length, the back length and front length will align. So you place the button together like this, the button and the buttonhole together like this. So join it with 1 inch measurement. We use 1 inch. Now I've cut this strip, 2 inches strip, and I've sewed it together. I'm going to use it for turn up for the hand, okay. I'm keeping it at the back. I'm placing it at the wrong side, and then I'll now sew it with 1/2 inch. After sewing it, I'll turn this turn up like this. After cutting this strip, you can use bias as a black strip, but mine, I cut my own 1 inch. So I'm placing it like so. As you can see, you can iron yours so that it will lap. So I join it with my shoulder. Just sew it around the shoulder with showing around your shoulder the way I'm doing mine. So after doing that, you close it with measurements, with your round sleeve measurements, your round sleeve divided by 2. That's how you do it. So this is what it looks like after doing. So divide your collar measurement by 2 and put it down on a pattern paper. Then you divide it again by 2 to get the middle point. Then from that place, you come up by 1/2 inch and connect it back to the middle the way I'm doing it. So after that, you come up by 1 or 1.5 inches depending on how big you want the collar stand to be. After that, you connect your lines the way I'm connecting them right now. This is 1.5 inches. This will make your collar to stand very well when you go up by 1/2 inch. After that, you make a slight curve the way I'm curving it. So I'm using marker pen to highlight it. This one is now for the collar. I'm trying to get the measurement for the collar. You mark a straight line, then go up by 2.5 inches depending on how big you want the collar to be, okay. Go up by 1/2 inch. So come in by 1 inch and then connect your line back to the upper line the way I'm doing it right now. So after that, I'm trying to use marker to highlight it. So from the middle, go up by 1/2 inch or 1 inch and connect it back to the point, that point there, okay, to make the collar stand. So this is how the collar is. We are going to place it on our fabric. So I placed the pattern paper on a collar stay or paper stay and ironed it to the fabric. So I use 1/2 inch as sewing allowance. So I'm just going to join the upper part the way I'm doing it now. I'll join the upper part by 1/2 inch, okay. This is the collar stand, the collar itself. I'm joining it by 1/2 inch. After doing that, I'll notch it. I'll turn it and notch it, and you can iron it at this point, okay. You can iron it at this point. So this is the collar stand. I'm also notching it. Remember the second part, I did not iron paper stay. So I'm going to place it together like this, the notched part the notch parts, I will place it together the way I'm placing these ones right now. Place the notch part together and then sew it by half inches. Now after sewing it by half inch, you are going to turn it inside out. So this is me turning it inside out. After this, you iron it very well. You iron it very well. So while ironing it, you put in half inch inside. Okay, I will show you what I mean by that. So this is the collar stand and the collar stay itself. You put in half inch inside. I'm trying to hold it down, like iron it close so that it will stand very well, like top stitching it. That's what I'm doing. As you can see, I left half inch for sewing allowance and folded the other half inch inside. So that half inch that I did not fold inside, I'm going to sew it round the collar stay. I'm placing it on the right side. As you can see the way I'm placing it. So remember the half inch that I folded inside, I'm going to use it to cover that sewing allowance. You see the way I'm folding it right now inside. So you sew it down, sew the half inch that you folded inside with iron, you sew it like I've shown, the way I'm showing you right now. As you can see the way I'm pushing the sewing allowance inside so that half inch I folded in with iron will hide it. So after sewing it, you can iron it very well so that you see the beauty of it. So this is how it looks like after ironing it or after sewing it. I'm yet to iron it. So I'm marking the buttonhole. I'm using 2 inch difference. Okay, I'm using 2 inch difference for the button and buttonhole. I'm going to go to the market to do the buttonhole because I don't have the buttonhole machine and I want it to be neat. Whenever I use my machine to do buttonhole, they dey neat. So na im make I wan go. Sorry, that's why I want to go to the market to do the buttonhole. So I'm giving difference of 2 inches. So after that, you can put your button and your shirt is ready to be worn. You can weave the insides, okay, to give it a neat finishing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. God bless you.